Yo, what up? It's so gorgeous out here in Nebraska. We're out of winter. I'm finally getting to all my projects I've been waiting to do. Just finally working on the Del Sol, so that's awesome. Today, we are going to be hooking up my JDM plate fillers. So they are currently not hooked up. I'm running these cool ones from eBay, which are super dope, but I can't run both. And I don't want to run both because I think that's overkill. So we're just gonna run these guys. And we're gonna go through how we're gonna do this, what I got made, who I got it made from, how you guys can get it, and all that kind of fun stuff. So let's hook these up for the first time in ever. I think I got these like a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and I'm finally just getting to them. So, but that's exciting. This will be an exciting vlog. I'm gonna make a blog for OldSols.com to go along with this as well. So that'll be up there. I know some of you guys like reading, some of you guys like watching, so we're gonna have it all covered. And I just like documenting it for the future. So, all right guys, let's get into this. Okay, so I got these made from a guy on Instagram, Soulless Garage. And what I wanted him to do was connect the password JDM. That'd be cool if password JDM made those. Take the JDM plate fillers, which is this guy, to the OEM harness that is in the trunk lights up top in our US version. And that's all that I wanted to do with this. I didn't want him to make me a whole new harness or anything like that, because that'd be way more work and it'd be way more involved. And like I said, I didn't want to run both of them because that would be kind of crazy. So what we have to do is take out the OEM harness from the trunk lid, reroute that whole harness all the way back down inside the actual trunk and into those plate fillers. So that's what we got to do first. And then all we have to do is just hook these up. So super awesome solution, 25 bucks shipped to my house. I don't think you can beat this option. So let's do that right meow. So this is super easy, 2 screws, each right here. Here's your harness for those. This now has to go all the way back down, back into here for the plate fillers, and I'll show you that. But this is all clipped on, you know, you see all the way down, and it looks like it probably runs all the way down into here. So I just got to remove all that now. I have to now get all of this through all the little things. I'm gonna have to pop all these little guys out here. Hopefully I can do this without breaking all these, but we'll see. One. It sucks, you kind of have to scratch your paint up a little bit to get these crooked things out. Luckily I didn't paint the inside of my trunk though, because I didn't need to, and I wanted to leave some of the original color of this Del Sol on the car just as a remembrance. And I had put everybody's kind of decals and the companies that I was using in my trunk area. So I left that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna snake my way all the way down. And do that. I'm not going to show you all that because it's super boring and it's going to take me a while to get all the way there, but that's just what I'm going to use here. Then I'm going to zip tie it all up, so we will catch back up after I get this all unwoven. So, and all it is, it's just way back into here, and then it looks like it probably just goes down through here back over to right here. So that's where that's gonna go to. So, all right, I'm gonna do that. Okay, guys, so I can't tell you how easy this is. All right, I've got my harness wrapped back up under here, back through here, back up into here. All that happens is these go into the new connectors that I had made, and then I am just going to zip tie this harness to my taillight harness, and then I'm going to utilize these things that I managed not to rip, and I'm going to put them into some of these holes here, so it just keeps everything all nice and where they need to be. And then we're going to plug them in. We're going to see if these little nuggets work. So yeah. All right, so here's those little connectors I had made. Here's the OEM one. This is so ridiculously super easy. It's not even funny. These are just gonna go in here like so. Boom. One. Two. There they are. And now these go in to the JDM fillers. So that's super cool. Let me move the camera real quick. Oh, where can I put this? I need to mount this to something so I can show you guys. All right, this is the best I can think of, but that's okay. So here's our one harness. Here's our one plug. Here's the other one. This is gonna go right into this little guy, like so. This one's gonna go right into this little guy, like so. Okay, those are good. Let's get those mounted into there so they don't move. Okay. Now I'm gonna go see if those are gonna turn on. Hey, would you look at that? I can't believe it. They're on for the first time in forever. I've got little LED bulbs in there. Those are great. Man, so exciting that those are actually on and they work. Legit, folks. That was so easy. I just got them all zip tied, got them all buttoned up, got this all in. It's all hidden back behind there, all nice and good. This can come down, good, yada yada. Done. That was fucking so simple. Dude, shout out to Soulless Garage for making that like one of the easiest installs that you can do for $25, and now they're hooked up. So pumped about that. So shout out to you, man. Just, you couldn't have made it any easier. So I'm super pumped to have those in. And yeah, you'll see the blog. I'll get that up on OldSols.com, hit it up on the forum. So that's all saved and everybody knows how to do this now. But I guess I would say the hard part is just getting the plate fillers themselves. They're not like super rare. They're kind of rare. They're just hard to find, and they're so expensive. Like, to get ones that are gonna match your car or in good shape, or it comes with everything. It comes with the lights. You see them without the lights. You see them not with any hardware, nothing to mount them in there because that's missing. I guess it's just hard to get a complete kit like this. And mine didn't come with the OEM harness that these usually come with. I've got some other blogs about how you cut in the holes. This garnish right here, you know, that's also JDM. They don't work with our US ones. It's an expensive add-on, but I guess hooking them up with an aftermarket harness like Soulless Garage made me, it's just kind of the cherry on top after all your hard work to get to this point, and it's super legit. I can't say enough about that. So definitely use that guy. 100% awesome. Yeah, till next time, guys. We've got a ton more wiring to do. I've got to show you guys in some future vlogs how to hook up the harness from the inside of the car for the OEM lower JDM fog light switch all the way to the fog lights, which is a huge project. So we're going to do that vlog. And then I've also got harnesses for the JDM and Euro map lights on the interior. We've got to hook those up still. So those are all coming in the future, but got this knocked out and it's done. Super pumped, guys. Thanks for watching, and check you next time.